Start by going to the Settings button, the one that looks like a set of cogwheels. From there, select the Slitter option. This screen allows you to move the slitters up and down. Go ahead and move each slitter individually toward the center so you can access them more easily. The manufacturer recommends using a silicone-based oil. If you remove the cap, you'll find a plastic nut with a rubber O-ring underneath. Using standard oil can degrade that O-ring over time, so silicone oil is the safer choice. Before applying oil, use a lint-free cloth to clean the area. Try to avoid touching the components with your fingers, as these are not coated stainless steel and oils from your skin can lead to rust over time. If you notice any paper dust or debris, use a soft toothbrush to gently clean out the grooves. Next, apply a single drop of silicone oil to each drive on both the front and back for all 4 slitters. Once complete, close the machine and use the controls to move the slitters back and forth, all the way to the home position, and then past their original position. This helps evenly distribute the oil across the drives. Performing this simple maintenance regularly will help extend the life of your AeroCut X and keep it running smoothly.